there's a shadow in the air tonight, a whisper you weren't meant to hear. It's the quiet truth your body hides, arteries narrowing, blood slowing, strength fading. You feel it, don't you? That subtle loss of fire, the weight of time pressing down, stealing what once defined you. Society calls it aging, shrugs, and moves on. But I'm here to pull you into a secret they don't want you to know. You can fight back. Not with pills or promises, but with nature's own weapons. 7 fruits, 7 keys to unclog your veins, boost your blood flow, and reclaim the vitality that's yours. This isn't just about health. It's about power, about rewriting the story of who you are. You're not done. You're not fading. You're a man who's lived, loved, and conquered, and you're about to rediscover the fire within. Stay with me, because we're diving deep into truths that can change everything. Starting now, don't forget to subscribe to Golden Memories. Picture a pomegranate, its ruby seeds glinting like jewels in the morning light. This isn't just a fruit, it's a lifeline. Science whispers what ancient men knew. Pomegranate juice boosts nitric oxide, a molecule that widens your blood vessels, letting blood surge through your body, including the penile arteries. A study showed it raised testosterone by 24%, sharpened mood, and fueled libido. That's right, this fruit doesn't just unclog veins, it reignites your drive. Its antioxidants, those polyphenol, fight inflammation, clearing the plaque that chokes your arteries. You're 60, maybe 70, and you've built a life. Careers, families, battles won. But somewhere, the world started whispering you're past your prime. Pomegranate says otherwise. It's not loud or flashy. It's steady, like you. Drink a glass of pure pomegranate juice daily. 8 ounces, no sugar added. Feel it work, silently, like a river carving through stone. Your heart pumps stronger, your veins open wider, and that fire you thought was dimming? It's back. You're not just eating a fruit, you're reclaiming your strength, your confidence, your manhood. Every seed is a step toward a version of you that time can't touch. Now, imagine a summer day, the crunch of watermelon under your teeth, juice dripping down your chin. It's more than a memory, it's medicine. Watermelon is packed with citrulline, an amino acid that your body turns into nitric oxide, relaxing blood vessels like a key turning in a lock. Studies call it nature's Viagra, because it boosts blood flow to the penis, helping you achieve stronger, longer-lasting erections. Its lycopene, that vibrant red antioxidant, fights inflammation and protects your heart, keeping arteries clear. You're 65, maybe 80, and you've felt the frustration. Moments when your body doesn't respond like it used to. Society says accept it, but watermelon says fight. Slice it fresh, eat a few cups daily, especially the rind where citrulline hides. It's not just about ED, it's about feeling alive again, blood pumping, energy surging. You've faced harder battles than this. Divorces, losses, late nights building a legacy. This fruit is your ally, simple but powerful, reminding you that vitality isn't lost, it's waiting. Take a bite, and feel the rush of possibility. Step into a forest, berries staining your fingers, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. These tiny powerhouses are loaded with anthocyanins, flavonoids that strengthen blood vessel walls and boost nitric oxide. A Harvard study found men eating berries a few times a week cut their ED risk by 9 to 11%. They reduce inflammation, unclog arteries, and improve circulation, sending blood where it's needed most. You're 55, maybe 75, and you know the sting of doubt, wondering if you're still the man you were. Berries don't just fight plaque, they fight that lie. Toss a handful into your morning oatmeal or blend them into a smoothie, fresh or frozen, no matter. Their antioxidants shield your veins from oxidative stress, that silent thief of vitality. You've carried burdens, mortgages, kids, dreams deferred, and come out stronger. This is no different. Each berry is a small rebellion against time, a reminder that your body can still surprise you. Eat them daily, and feel the pulse of life return, steady and sure. Picture an orange, its peel bursting with citrus scent, juice sharp and bright. Citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, lemons, are rich in vitamin C and flavonoids, antioxidants that protect blood vessels and boost circulation. Research shows they combat oxidative stress, keeping arteries flexible and blood flowing freely to the penis. You're 62, maybe 85, and you felt the world try to box you in, calling you senior like it's a sentence. Citrus laughs at that. It's not just fruit, it's defiance. Eat an orange daily or squeeze fresh grapefruit juice. Avoid sugary versions. Their nutrients support nitric oxide, easing the tension in your veins. You've built businesses, raised families, weathered storms. This is just another challenge, and citrus is your weapon. Its bright tang is a wake-up call, a reminder that your body still responds, still fights. Peel it, taste it, and feel the energy surge, like sunlight breaking through clouds. You're not slowing down, you're rising up. An apple a day, they say, keeps the doctor away. But it does more, it keeps ED at bay. Apples are packed with flavonoids, especially quercetin, which relaxes arteries and boosts blood flow. A 10-year study of 25,000 men found those eating flavonoid-rich fruits like apples had a lower ED risk, especially under 70. You're 58, maybe 72, and you felt the weight of years, aches, doubts, moments when your body feels like a stranger. Apples are your quiet ally, crisp and unassuming. Their fiber lowers cholesterol, clearing plaque from penile arteries. Their antioxidants fight inflammation, keeping blood vessels supple. Eat one daily, skin on, for maximum benefit. You've faced bigger fights, layoffs, heartbreak, late-night worries. This fruit is a small act of control, a way to tell time you're still in charge. Bite into it, feel the crunch, and know your strength isn't gone. It's growing, rooted deep like the tree it came from. Imagine a ripe tomato, its deep red promising life. Tomatoes are loaded with lycopene, an antioxidant that unclogs arteries and boosts blood flow. A 2024 review found low lycopene intake linked to higher ED risk, but raw tomatoes, cooked sauce, or even ketchup can raise levels. You're 67, maybe 80, and you've heard the whispers, society saying your best days are behind you. Tomatoes beg to differ. Their vitamin C and polyphenol reduce inflammation, keeping veins clear and blood surging. Eat them fresh in salads or cooked in sauces. Heat boosts lycopene's power. You've built a life, brick by brick, careers, homes, love that lasts. This fruit is your partner, simple but fierce, helping blood flow where it matters. Naninol, that aging scent, fades as your vitality rises. Slice a tomato, taste its tang, and feel your body respond, strong and alive, proving the world wrong. Grapes, dark and rich, hang heavy on the vine, each one a secret weapon. Their resveratrol, an antioxidant, boosts nitric oxide, dilating blood vessels and improving circulation. Studies show red wine in moderation helps, but grapes themselves are purer, more potent. You're 70, maybe 82, and you've felt the world's judgment. It's assumption that age dims your fire. Grapes say no. Their flavonoids protect your heart, unclog penile arteries, and fuel your stamina. Eat a handful daily, red or purple for maximum resveratrol. You've fought battles, wars within, wars without, and come out standing. This fruit is your shield, quiet but powerful, restoring blood flow and confidence. Naninol's musty trace can't compete with the life you're reclaiming. Pop a grape in your mouth, savor its burst, and feel the truth. You're not fading. You're a force, and the world will see it.